So this is it. Finally, after 1.5 years, I'm making another setup tour. So if you've watched any of my older setup tours, you might be familiar with a lot of the tech since I haven't changed that too much. So besides the placement of things, I actually went from being a full-time Windows user to being a full-time Mac user. So now my setup is powered by my 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro, and with that I'm using my 34-inch Dell ultrawide monitor, which after over 2 years of using it, it almost seems a bit small. Right next to my monitor I still have my Audio Engine A2 Plus speakers, which are still great. There's just some problem with the cable, and now they make a weird buzzing sound sometimes, which is kind of annoying. I also have a 2TB lacy rugged hard drive, which is where I just save pretty much everything. As far as my peripherals go, I still have my MX Master mouse, which is just the best mouse ever made, hands down. And I'm also using an Apple Magic Keyboard. I really like the design, and it's really nice to type on actually. Also just makes switching between the MacBook keyboard and my full-on desk setup quite a bit easier. I also have an Echo Dot, which I barely ever use since I don't really have any of the smart home tech. Just use it to play Spotify or something. My desk is an Ikea countertop with an LX drawer unit on one side and just some hairpin legs on the other side. But one of my absolute favorite parts about this setup, and I just picked this up recently, is that neon Banana Waltz sign. It's just pretty cool. There's something about it. It's just, I don't know. Other than all of that tech, I really like to have some plants around my desk. Now, I've killed multiple ones in the past 1.5 years, so these have changed quite a bit, but the ones I have right now I actually really like. One of them is a coffee plant, the other one I have no idea, and one of those is actually fake. Yeah, the classic one from Ikea. Then I just have some old film cameras because I really like cameras. And I also have a coaster because I drink a lot of coffee. Like, a lot of coffee. And I think that's pretty much it actually. If you want to know anything else, be sure to ask me in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification button. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next week.